Imagine stepping into the future of motorhomes. The 2026 Entegra Embark isn't just another RV. It's the world's first Class A electric motorhome with a range extender. From its sleek exterior to the ultra-modern interior, this RV promises a travel experience unlike anything else on the road today. In this review, we're diving deep into every feature, every spec, and every detail that makes the Integra Embark a game-changer in the luxury RV market. Starting with the outside, the Integra Embark immediately signals modern luxury and innovation. Its streamlined design reduces drag, which is critical for electric efficiency. The front end features a bold aerodynamic face with LED headlights and an integrated panoramic windshield, giving it a commanding road presence. Along the sides, you'll notice hidden storage compartments that blend seamlessly with the body, perfect for all your travel gear. The slide-outs extend smoothly to maximize interior space without compromising the sleek exterior lines. The rear features full LED taillights, a backup camera system, and the charging port for its electric drivetrain, neatly tucked to maintain the clean aesthetic. The roof is equipped with solar panels, designed to support auxiliary power needs, and the aerodynamic air conditioning unit is low profile, reducing wind resistance and noise. Every design choice here is meant to balance style, efficiency, and functionality. Step inside, and the Integra Embark immediately feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. The living area is spacious and open, with panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light. Premium finishes, from high-gloss cabinetry to soft-touch materials, create a feeling of refinement. The sofa and lounge chairs are both ergonomic and stylish, upholstered in durable yet soft materials. The layout is intelligently designed for both comfort and practicality, with USB ports and power outlets placed conveniently throughout. A standout feature is the full LED ambient lighting system, which can be adjusted for color and intensity, creating the perfect mood for any time of day. Integrated smart controls allow you to manage lighting, temperature, and entertainment from a central panel or even via your smartphone. The kitchen is where the Integra Embark really impresses. It comes fully equipped with modern appliances, including a convection microwave, induction cooktop, stainless steel refrigerator, and a deep stainless sink. Countertops are made of durable, high-quality material that's both scratch and heat-resistant. Storage is abundant. Cabinets, drawers, and pantry space are all cleverly designed to maximize capacity without feeling cramped. There's also an optional retractable island that adds workspace when needed, but tucks away seamlessly. Every element here is designed to feel like a full-size kitchen, not just an RV kitchenette, making it perfect for extended trips or even full-time living. The bedroom offers premium comfort with a queen-sized bed, high-quality mattress, and ample underbed storage. Soft, dimmable lighting creates a cozy atmosphere, while large windows ensure the space never feels closed in. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a spacious shower with glass doors, a porcelain toilet, and modern fixtures. Vanity storage is optimized, and there's even an optional washer-dryer combo, making long trips hassle-free. Every interior space is designed for luxury, practicality, and modern living, ensuring the Embark feels like home wherever you park it. The Embark is packed with high-tech amenities. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster paired with a large infotainment touchscreen. Navigation, energy monitoring, and driving assistance systems are integrated seamlessly. For entertainment, there's a premium surround sound audio system, multiple flat-screen TVs, and connectivity for streaming services. Smart controls allow you to adjust climate, lighting, and security systems from your device, even remotely. Safety isn't overlooked either. Advanced driver assistance systems include lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras, making even a Class A electric RV easy to drive and park. Now let's talk performance. The Integra Embark is a Class A electric motorhome with a range extender, combining battery power with a small generator to extend your travel range. While exact numbers vary, expect smooth, silent acceleration and plenty of torque for highway driving and hill climbs. Regenerative braking helps recharge the battery while on the move, improving overall efficiency. The ride is enhanced by a sophisticated suspension system that balances comfort and handling, making long-distance travel relaxing and stable. Charging is convenient. Both AC home charging and DC fast charging options are available, allowing you to replenish the battery quickly during trips. Compared to traditional diesel or gas Class A RVs, the Embark offers quieter operation, zero local emissions, and significantly lower operating costs over time. Its interior and technology features rival the most luxurious motorhomes on the market, while the electric drivetrain sets it apart as a truly future-ready RV. Features like solar support, smart home integration, and the range extender make it practical for long trips without sacrificing comfort. In short, this isn't just an RV, it's a luxury electric lifestyle vehicle. If you were taking a long road trip in the Entegra Embark, which feature would excite you the most? The ultra-modern kitchen, the spacious bathroom, or the electric driving experience? Comment below. I'd love to see which part of this RV you'd enjoy the most. The 2026 Integra Embark sets a new benchmark for Class A motorhomes, proving that luxury, technology, and sustainability can coexist. From its sleek exterior to the high-tech, comfortable interior, every detail is designed for travelers who want the best of modern RV living. If you're serious about electric RVs or luxury motorhomes, the Embark deserves a close look. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth automotive reviews and first drive experiences.